Hey, it's Dom and welcome back to my channel. Hi ate. Today is Saturday. What date is it today? September 6th? No, it's September 5th yesterday. So today is advanced birthday celebration ni Georgie, my brother-in-law. Happy advance birthday. How old are you now? I think Georgie is 41. If correct me if I'm wrong, but I think he's 41. Andito na kami sa car, guys. So bili lang kami sa Dollarama ng paper bag para sa gift namin, and then may pupuntahan lang kaming store after. So ang birthday celebration ni Georgie is sa Dragon Pearl Buffet sa may Don Mills and York Mills, kung saan kami nakatira banda dati. Dito kami ni Andrea sa Dollarama. Kukuha lang kami ng paper bag. Saan ka ate? Show your face. Hi! So pipili kami ng paper bag. Ikaw pumili ate for Uncle George, okay?
Paper bag?
Yeah, for our gift. Ayan, pumipili na si Andrea. Maybe blue or red. Wag naman ganyan, pang bata yan. Something blue or red. Maybe the blue one? Oh, you like that? Akala ko yung blue na yan. Okay, so pakita mo yung napili mo. So this is what Andrea picked for Uncle George. Georgie's gift. Okay. And then let's get something. Ayan guys, nakabalik na kami ni Andrea dito sa car. So papunta na kami dun sa store na sisilipin namin. And then diretso na kami sa Dragon Pearl, kung saan gaganapin ang birthday lunch ni Georgie. Hindi ko nahanap yung hinahanap ko na para siyang kinoconnect mo yung susi mo or gamit mo sa bag. So alam ko baka meron kami sa bahay. Hanap na lang ako. Gandang weather today guys. May init na mahangin. Say hi daddy. Hi ate at the back. Guys, pumasok na ako sa loob pero bumalik ako dito sa car kasi si Daddy Alvin na lang mamimili kasi pang lalaki. So mas magaling siyang mamili ng ireregalo for Georgie. So mag-wait na lang kami dito sa car. Nakabili na kami ng regalo guys. So si Daddy Alvin ang pumili. Hat na lang ang binili ni Daddy Alvin kasi mahilig si Georgie sa hat. And I like the color. Hindi ko na siya napakita guys kasi na binalot na namin kagad dito sa paper bag. And nakatape na siya. Nakausap ko na sila mom and sila ate Jerka. So they're on their way now. So mabilis lang naman yun. So kami din papunta na sa Dragon Pearl. So excited na ako kumain guys kasi gutom na ako. Kami nag-breakfast para makakain kami mabuti ng eat all you can sa lunch. Ang ganda ng car niya guys. Very, ano yung tawag doon? Vintage ba? Yan, nasa daan pa rin kami papunta sa birthday ni Georgie. Birthday lunch. Dito na kami guys. So ito yung Dragon Pearl. Dragon Pearl Buffet. Yan, nakasabay namin sila guys. Say hi mom.
Go. Go.
Hi. Hi Andre. Hi Georgie.
Come here.
Jacob,
Give me the iPad in the car.
George, just watch them.
Hi dad. Hi dad.
Hello.
Balloon for Georgie's 41st birthday. Hi Amari.
Say hi to the vlog.
Say hi Anaya. Say hi.
Hi.
Buti hindi ka ano
Can I
ah.
say hi?
Say hi.
No.
Say hi mom.
Hi.
Birthday boy.
Hello. How are you?
Where's
Is
Dad?
that your
My vlogs.
YouTube vlog?
Yeah, this
Hi,
is the
people.
birthday boy, my brother-in-law Georgie. He's so handsome, right?
You Just being modest.
No, that's true. That's my mom and dad. Yeah. What's your message for Georgie?
Happy birthday, Georgie.
Wish you all the
May,
best.
may you have many more birthdays to come.
Libre mo ako.
Hi. Say hi. Boy. Hi. Hi, Emma.
Hi. Vlog?
Say hi to my vlog.
Hello.
Ate Rosie and the kids. Hi. Hi, Kuya David.
How are you?
Say hi to my channel.
My channel.
Hi, Adelaide. Say hi. Hi, Ate Drecka. That's my sis. Say hi. Channel. Hi, Caleb.
Happy
Hi,
birthday,
Em.
Kuya George.
Yeah, what's your message for Kuya George?
Sorry, one sec. My message for Kuya George. Congratulations, you're finally 19. Make sure to live it up, drink a lot, and go to the club.
Okay. Hi, Amari, Riley, and Audrey. Hi, Emma.
Hello.
What's your message for Uncle Georgie? Ay, Uncle Georgie, Kuya Georgie.
Happy birthday. Love you. I will get your Hollister.
What's your message for Uncle Georgie?
Good for you.
And here's the wife.
All by myself.
Jega,
Good job.
what's your message for Georgie?
Love you always, babe. Happy birthday.
Oh, we're here. Here's the food, guys. It's Georgie, the birthday boy. So here's the food. So this is my favorite salmon teriyaki. So sweet. Here's my first plate, guys. Okay, kakain muna ako. Daddy Alvin eating, and Adelaide and Andrea. Anaya. Happy Amari! Diyan ka si Amari.
Blow your cake.
Yay! Happy birthday, Georgie! Hi, Ate Rosie.
I was ready to go to the board. Going up too high.
Cake time!
Oh, yum.
Bakit?
No, sabi ko, bakit nakahiwala yung isa?
41.
41 pa.
Idea ni Daddy.
Guys, medyo mahirap mag-vlog kasi ang sarap kumain. Pero dessert time na ako. Dessert, cookies, tiramisu cake, cream puff, and a jello. And my daughter who likes to pull my clothes. Hi, Adelaide.
Daddy's favorite.
Gusto bumaba?
Ayun.
Ayan guys, patapos na kami. So I'm just having my last dessert. Cheesecake. First bite ng cheesecake.
Alvin, sabi ng anak mo.
Time to go home. Georgie's birthday lunch. It's done. Say hi. Say bye. Hi, Dad.